Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. Let's get started on today's unboxing. I've got a few different things, and since I'm still waiting for more, because this is all my loot from the various discounts of the season, I thought I would do just an interim one. So I got a lot of markers. I have been taking classes from Jen Shirkus, and I love it because her style is different from mine, but she's got some Copics that she recommends, and I've been wanting to get into some of these anyways, so this worked out. From my previous unboxing, this is one that I missed. For whatever reason, it didn't make it into my cart for Simon Says Stamp. And then she's switched over to using the T markers. This is, I should clarify. This is one of the 50 that Jen recommends on her website, and I'll link where she mentions that in the description below. And this is just one that I missed. So the rest of these, you'll notice it's all a bunch of T markers. I am missing T2. I'm happy to say that it is on its way to me. I should have it by next week at the time of this recording, which means I probably got it like 3 weeks ago by the time this airs. And then I got the R30 and the RV11. And this is going to round out what Jen's going to be using in her classes this coming up January, both in the Create With Us that she does with Kelly Marie from Lawn Fawn, as well as her own class. So I'm going to set those aside and let's get started on some of the other things I ordered. They all came in a box, so bear with me. For the sake of my family's privacy, I did open it ahead of time, and I'm gonna start pulling stuff out. Whew. All right, so this one came from Scrap Addicts, which of course is my favorite scrapbook store, and I have to say they've really stepped up their game. Look at how pretty they packaged this. Super excited. So getting into it, I caved and I got this dual heat embossing gun, heat embossing gun. I'm really excited. You can see how much they charged for it in Canadian, but I'm super excited to try this out and see how the dual embossing is going for me. Then I got Joy to All. I caved. I caved. At the end of the day, the reason why I was hesitant to get this stamp set is because I didn't really love the people. These two little kids, I don't know, but they've grown on me. And I find myself drawn to all the extra stuff, like the tree and the puppy, and even the sentiments are really cute, so caved. All right, now I also got these Snowflakes. These are massive, you guys. I wasn't expecting these to be so big. These are Glittering Snowflakes collections from, I don't even know who from, CCI Sequence, I don't know. Crafter's Companion, there we go. And I just thought they would be perfect for shaker cards. And to that, I also got this little tin of sequins. This is from Lilac Lane, and I think it's called something to do with fairies. I'm not 100% sure. When I get my act together, I will definitely link the name, because I've seen these on Amazon as well. And then just with the sale that my scrapbook store was having, I couldn't pass this up because it was all half off. It was amazing. I think it was half off, something like that. It was a ridiculously good sale. Okay. I also got some Studio Katia iridescent crystals. You can see they're just so pretty. I love Studio Katia. And I really want to start using more sequins. Then I also got this fine tip bypass tweezer. So it's the same idea as the EK tools, but it's straight. So I'm excited to start using that, just because there's sometimes that I really just want something that's straight. And then I'm trying out the giant foam tape. I'm super excited. This is 54 feet. I've got a couple more coming from the likes of Amazon And I can't wait to compare them and see which one I like the best and which one is the most cost effective. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't really have a preference in terms of like stickiness. I've found that I can work with whatever kind of foam tape I have or foam squares. It doesn't bother me. But I am trying to find the best deal. That's for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna get this out of the way. Whoops, as I take out all my lights. Watch my rig just collapse. That's happened. True story. Okay. And then last but not least, I got a box from Scrapbook.com. And I don't know why they packaged this in such a massive box, because there's really not that much in here. Oh, you can tell how awkward it is just by how much I'm struggling to get this up on the table. Okay. So let's go through. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna break everything. What I got here from Scrapbook.com. So I caved. I got this extended magic mat. I'm really excited. This is kind of like a self-healing mat, but made for your die cutting machines. So I have a Big Shot, and this is gonna fit my extended platform really well. So that's super exciting because I'm always looking for something that won't warp, that I can use with my cutting plates. And then this was a free gift with purchase. Oh my goodness, here I am knocking things down again. This was a free gift with purchase. It's smooth cardstock in the Christmas colors. I have never had one of these before, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna use it or what for. Oh, I think this is a solid, no, it's not, it's white core. I was really excited there for a second. It might be good for sentiments. I don't know, I'll figure it out. 85 pound, that's a nice weight. And then these guys as well. So everything that was Scrapbook.com branded was 50% off. I mean, how do you say no to that? Okay, and packaged rather nicely, which I totally appreciate. I'm always on a hunt for ink blending tools. I am finding myself using them more and more. I haven't used the dome lids yet, but I do have them. So I thought this would be really nice just to compare them to the Tim Holtz ones and see which one I like better, if there's a difference at all, which there might not be. And then these are also a free gift with purchase, just really tiny, cute, adorable scissors. And more of these magic mats. So these little guys, which I think are 6 by... Hey, you're a crafter, you have a ruler. Just take it out and measure. By 7 3/4, it looks like. These are just like a regular standard cutting mat. So this is actually a little bit smaller than my standard cutting mats. So when I use this, I'm gonna have to make sure that my dies that I'm putting on here are smaller, which is fine. And the thing with these, this was a 2-pack. So when you buy this size, you actually get 2 of them. Okay. Ooh, gift guide. I'm gonna look through that later. My thing. Oh, and this thing. So I have a bunch of recipes that I've collected. I'm super excited about this. I was looking for something like this years ago, and I just love the simplicity of this stamp set, but you can do whatever you want with it. So I don't even have to use these. I love the font for the directions and the time, title, etc. But I am so excited because I'd be able to use things like Baked with Love from Lawn Fawn to coordinate with this and make my own recipe cards that way, and just use these, the rest of it basically outside of the images, to write out my own recipe cards, and I'm so excited about that. And I even have a binder set up. So I actually have 5x7 inserts for a binder, and I was going to do recipe cards in there, but this will still work, and I could do little cute images around or figure it out. So super exciting. And that's it for me. So here's a couple more videos for you guys to check out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!